Hi, I'm Mark Hellner, and I'm an attorney with the Center for Disability and Elder Law, which is a free legal clinic headquartered in downtown Chicago. We also have 10 neighborhood offices where we meet with our clients. At the end of this short presentation, you will see our contact information. We operate what we call the Senior Tax Opportunity Program, or STOP, which helps senior citizens and people with disabilities save money on their property taxes. This program is kindly sponsored by the Office of the Illinois Attorney General, and I am privileged to manage it. Now, I will quickly summarize how you might be able to save money on your property taxes. First, you need to keep in mind that all of these opportunities are available to you if you own a house, condominium, or co-op. Secondly, these savings are only applicable to your primary residence. So you cannot use these tax savings to benefit a rental apartment, such as in a two-flat, or a weekend or second home. In fact, when you apply for these benefits, you are making a representation of the county that both your request is legally proper and that the application is only for your primary residence. So, what are these property tax opportunities? First, you should already be receiving a homeowner's or homestead exemption for your house, condo, or co-op. That benefit reduces your equalized assessed value by $7,000, and in the city of Chicago, for example, you will save close to $500 in the 2014 tax year because of that exemption. If you are 65 in the applicable tax year, for example, if you were born in 1949 or before, as to tax year 2014, you can also get a senior citizens tax exemption, which will further reduce your equalized assessed value by $5,000. And again, for example, in the city of Chicago, will save about $350. In cities where the tax rates are higher than the city of Chicago's, you will save more money. This senior citizen exemption must be requested in writing every year on a form issued by the assessor's office. Senior citizens, meaning people 65 and older, can also obtain an assessment freeze in any year when their household income was $55,000 or less. The freeze does not prevent your taxes from going up, but it instead prevents the assessed value of your property from increasing in any year you qualify for it. Because the assessment freeze is income sensitive, it too must be applied for each year. The state of Illinois also operates a senior citizen tax deferral loan program. This permits you to borrow up to $5,000 in a year to pay your current tax bill. It cannot be used to pay back taxes. You can borrow this money even if you have an outstanding mortgage, as long as the loan-to-equity ratio does not go above 80%. The applications are available from each county treasurer's office, and applications are due by March 1st each year. Repayment is not on an installment basis as with a typical mortgage loan or a car note, but instead it is on a deferred basis as with a reverse mortgage. It is also worth knowing that if you improve your residence, and I mean really improve as opposed to just doing maintenance work, for the first 4 years after you make that improvement, the first $75,000 of the improvements will not be included in the assessed value of your property. Again, this is applicable only to your primary residence. Finally, for those of you who live in the city of Chicago, you should be happy to know that once you reach 65, you will not have to pay the sewer portion of your water bill if you live either in a single-family home or have a separate water meter. You have to make an application for the sewer exemption to the City of Chicago Water Department. The savings will be about 45%. You'll only have to apply once, but it isn't effective until you have fully paid your outstanding bills, and it is not available retroactively. Now, if you have any questions about these issues or about housing issues in general, please feel free to call me at 312-376-1883 or contact me at mhellner, Hellner, at CDEL, CDELAW.org. Our switchboard phone number is 312-376-1880, and our website address is CDELAW.org. This information is also shown at the end of the video. Thank you so much for your interest in our clinic.